The boundaries of our indoor sanctuary are beginning to feel small. The seeds we nurtured through the winter frost have grown into vibrant young plants, each one a testament to the care you've provided. But before these tender lives can face the open sky, they must learn to withstand the world beyond the glass. This is the transition from the nursery to the earth, the critical moment of the first transplant. The process of hardening off is a delicate negotiation with the elements. To move a plant directly from a warm room to the unpredictable garden is to invite shock. Instead, we begin a gradual introduction. On the first day, place your trays in a sheltered, shaded spot for just 1 hour before bringing them back inside. Day by day, increase their exposure to sunlight and the gentle tug of the wind. Within a week, their stems will have toughened and their leaves thickened, ready for the permanence of the soil. Before the roots touch their final home, the earth must be prepared to receive them. Warming the soil with a layer of compost or a temporary cover ensures the transition is a gentle one. As you dig your first holes, remember that spacing is not just about order, but about the breadth of the garden. Each plant needs its own theater of light and air to truly thrive. Tread softly as you settle them into the soil. For crops like tomatoes, bury them deep to encourage a robust root system. For others, ensure the soil line remains where it was in the pot. A deep, immediate watering, a welcome drink, helps settle the earth around the roots, removing air pockets and signaling to the plant that it is time to take hold. The first step into the true garden has been taken. The quiet work of January is now becoming the visible bounty of spring. As you look across your newly planted rows, remember that gardening is a conversation between your hands and the land. What is the first crop you've moved outdoors this season? Let us know in the comments as we watch this garden grow together. Until next time, may your roots run deep and your harvest be plenty.